to install the front turn signals. I've looked at the rear turn signals and determined that the green and orange are going to be the right side if you're looking at the bike, left side if you're sitting on the bike, and the blue and green wires are going to be on the left looking at the bike, right if you're sitting on it. No big deal if you're wrong, because all you gotta do is plug the wires into a different size. And then it's a 14 millimeter nut to tighten those down. All right, so to mount the front fender on your Hawk, in your hardware package, you're gonna see you've got 4 of these little black rubber grommets. It looks kind of like a little spool, and they go in the 4 holes here. Now if you get it started in there, and then you can kind of use the bolt to squeeze it in and get it all started. So you get that thing started, and then you can put your bolt in there and give it a push, and it'll drive it the rest of the way in. Then you can take the bolt back out, and you'll see now all of your grommets are in there and it's ready to mount on the bike. There are some warning labels on the front end of your fender. You can go ahead and peel those off. The world needs less warning labels. Stupid should hurt. And a little bit of Loctite on the end of all those bolts. An 8 millimeter socket. And snug them down. Now your fender's on. Alright, I've put on the headlight and hooked up the turn signal wires and everything. That was a bit of a finagle. I've also mounted the speedo, so the bottom tabs go into the bottom triple tree, and then screws go in here. Give me a second. Let me turn the light on my phone here. Here we go. Okay, so there's screws there that hold the headlight in place, one on either side, and there's 3 nuts on the bottom of the gauge cluster, and I've put Loctite on all that stuff. Fender's on. I should be riding tomorrow or the next day. I've got to take off my shock top and bottom bolts and grease them and put them back on with Loctite. And then I want to pull my valve cover and adjust my valve lash. And then she'll be ready for fuel and a battery.
Like, comment, subscribe to my boy, the ProCut.